one of the best definitions of democracy is given by the former American President Abraham Lincoln, when he said that democracy is a form of government where the government is of the people, by the people, and for the people. Do you understand that? But that is a very, you can say, simple definition of democracy. Obviously, because he was addressing the people, that's why he gave this definition of democracy, and his definition of democracy is still considered as the starting point whenever we are trying to discuss any democracy. Obviously, without doubt, the greatest of all American president who abolished slavery and also ended the Civil War. Okay. So, democracy is a form of government where sovereignty lies with the people, or the supreme powers of governance lie with the people, which the people can exercise directly or through representatives. When they do it directly, it becomes direct democracy. When they do it through representatives, it becomes representative democracy. And representative democracy could be again of two types: presidential form of democracy and parliamentary form of democracy. The difference is that in presidential form of democracy, there is strict separation of powers. In parliamentary form of democracy, the judiciary is independent, but the executive is a subset of the legislature. India has what kind of democracy? Representative democracy of the parliamentary type. In direct democracy, people exercise their sovereign rights directly. And how do they do that? There are some instruments in direct democracy. These are the tools of direct democracy: initiative, referendum, recall, plebiscite. Initiative means the people initiating the laws on their own. Referendum means people voting on an important legal, socio-economic, political, constitutional matter. Recall means people have the right to recall the representatives, or people have the right to recall the ministers if they fail to perform before the expiry of the term of their office. And plebiscite means also a vote, but on a very grave political, legal, or constitutional matter, like the choice of a ruler, or whether you want to continue with a particular government, or whether you want to become a part of a particular country, or you want to remain isolated from a particular country, all those kind of things.